Today we're making new paper that is white, look old, because as it gets older it looks yellow and brown. We're using cold coffee instead of tea, but you can use tea as well. We have this stabby thing, I don't know what it's called yet. Sponge brush. Make sure you have everything ready. We've already done the cold coffee in this cup. So let's get started. As you can see, it's already looking pretty old. Once it's dried, my dad and I are going to burn the edges. Now we're going to find a sunny spot for them to dry easily. Our coffee paper dried out really nicely, and we have a candle right here. Use matches, whatever you want, and let's get going. So I'm going to burn the edges, any angle for you, which is best. Now make sure there's an adult supervising, just in case. Daddy! Oh my god, that's why you need an adult.
Don't play with fire, kids. Always have an adult helping out.
Okay, my poem has turned into Great Britain, and over here is Ireland, Dublin, Northern Ireland, North Atlantic Ocean. I've marked all of the seas, the Channel, North Sea. Now, I'm going to go, it's a very good map. Now all I need is a unicorn to take me to the British Isles. Just what I need.